Hello. So, nanonood tayo ng Ron na yun on the next Netflix era, pero nanonood tayo sa Top Sports. So anyways, napanood natin yung promo ni John Cena. So, imposible daw or hindi daw mangyayari na magiging 17-time World Heavyweight Champion siya. No? And lagi siya nagpapasalamat for entertaining us for over how many years now. And since ito na yung farewell tour niya, no? Nasa Royal Rumble siya. John Cena will be in the Royal Rumble. Now remember, John Cena has won the Royal Rumble twice. And there's only one man in history that won the Royal Rumble 3 times. From 97, 98, and 2001. And that man is the legendary Texas Rattlesnake, Stone Cold Steve Austin. Now, if nanalo si Cena this year, he will tie Stone Cold Steve Austin's record for 3 Royal Rumble wins. So, ibig sabihin nun, si Stone Cold at si John Cena lang ang nanalo ng Royal Rumble 3 times. Ngayon, marami nang nanalo ng Royal Rumble twice. Cody Rhodes, Batista, Triple H, Randy Orton, John Cena, and so many others. Pero if nanalo si John Cena ng Royal Rumble this year, he will tie Stone Cold Steve Austin. And he is the second man to tie Stone Cold Steve Austin's record for most Royal Rumble wins at 3. And take note, wala pang nakakagawa nun. Wala pang nakaka-break ng record ni Stone Cold Steve Austin for 3 Rumble wins. Or nakakatay, no? So, ibig sabihin, si John Cena lang ang makakagawa nun. At si John Cena lang talaga at wala nang iba since ito na yung last farewell niya. Ngayon, if nanalo siya ng Royal Rumble, which is hopefully he wins the Royal Rumble, he will face Cody Rhodes for the WWE Championship, which basically means he will win his 17th World Championship, and that means he is the most decorated champion in the history of the WWE. Yes, the most decorated champion in the history of WWE, man. That is unheard of. So I hope John Cena will win this year's Royal Rumble match and become the 17-time World Heavyweight Champion. And that is it, guys. So for more wrestling news and gaming news, follow me here on YouTube and TikTok. Peace out.